Barigani. Today I greet you with the Swahili language. It's mostly widely spoken to us about how you can tell about your families and your relatives in English language. So I'm going to tell you your immediate family members and how you can say about them and the meaning and your extended families as well as relatives in English language. So we're going to talk how you can communicate this with the English language and as well as how you can say about them in English language. So at the end of my video, stay tuned and let's get started.
Talking about family and relatives in English language, beginner's English vocabulary lesson. Hello once again, let's learn some family vocabulary. In this lesson, I'm going to give you the words connected with family, with their meaning and pronunciation as well as spelling. Before we define the family members and relatives, let's review some general family terms. In brackets, I'm going to give you the Amharic meaning of the words. First, family. A person related by blood or marriage to you is called family. Parents. Your mother and your father are your parents. Guardians. A guardian is a person choosing to make all decisions for a child, just like a parent do. Marriage. The state of being united as spouses or husband and wife is called marriage. Relatives. They are the members of your family connected by blood or marriage. Ancestor. Your ancestors are the people from whom you are descended. Descendants. A person that is descended from a particular ancestor is called descendants. Okay, now let's start with the first section. We're going to see your immediate family members. Can you guess who are your immediate family members? Well, let's look at it together. So your immediate family includes your father, mother, son, daughter, or siblings, or what we call brother or sister. Let's review one more time to make it clear to you. A family is a group of one or more parents and their children living together as a unit. Relative. A member of your family, especially one who does not live with you, for example, your grandparents or cousins, are called relatives. Parent is singular form, parents is the plural form. Your mother and your father are your parents. So when you have children, you are a parent, that means. The first word, father. Your male parent is called your father. Mother. Your female parent is called your mother. Child, or sometimes is called offspring. The immediate descendants of a person are called, or it's called child. That means you are the child of your mother and father. Son. If you are a boy child to your parents, you are their son. Daughter. If you are a girl child to your parents, you are their daughter. Husband. The man that somebody is married to, or a married man, is called husband. Wife. The woman that somebody is married to, or a married woman, is called wife. Spouse. Your spouse is your husband or wife, or we can say that a husband or wife considered in relation to their partner is called spouse. Brother and sister. A brother and a sister both have the same parents. When they do have both the same parents, we call the male brother and the female sister siblings. Brothers and sisters are sometimes referred to us as siblings. Therefore, the collective word to describe brothers and sisters is siblings. So for one person, that is the singular form is sibling and the plural form is siblings. If there are many, we call siblings, and if there is one person, we call sibling. Now let's come to the second section. Let's talk about relatives and extended family. Can you guess who are your relatives and extended family members? Well, let's look at it together. Your extended family members includes all of the people in your father and mother's families. So they may include our forefathers or grandparents and descendants from them. Let's see them one by one. So a relative is someone in the same family, someone connected by blood, marriage, or adoption. So you can guess the word is connected with this list. First, grandparents. The parents of your parents, that means your grandmother and grandfather, are called grandparents. Great-great-grandfather. Father of your grandparents are called great-great-grandfather. Great-grandfather. The father of your grandfather or grandmother is called great-grandfather. Grandfather. The father of your mother or father is called grandfather. Great-great-grandmother. The mother of your great-grandparents are called great-great-grandmother. I mean the mother of your great-grandparents is called great-great-grandmother. Great-grandmother. The mother of your grandfather or grandmother is called great-grandmother. Grandmother refers to the mother of your father or mother. Grandchild, grandchildren. Grandchild is singular form and grandchildren is plural form. The child of one's son or daughter is called grandchild, or the children of your children are referred grandchildren. Great-grandchild. A son or daughter of one's grandchild is called great-grandchild, or the children of your grandchildren are called great-grandchild. Grandson. The son of one's son or daughter is called grandson. Great-grandson. A son of one's grandchild is called great-grandson. Great-great-grandson. The son of one's great-grandchild is called great-great-grandson. Granddaughter. Daughter of one's son or daughter is referred granddaughter. Great-granddaughter. The daughter of one's grandchild is called great-granddaughter. Great-great-granddaughter. The daughter of one's great-grandchild is referred to us as great-great-granddaughter. Uncle. Your father's or mother's brother is your uncle. Aunt. Your father's or mother's sister is your aunt. Cousin. Your aunt and uncle's children are your cousins. Nephew. Your brother's or sister's son or male child is your nephew. Niece. Your brother's or sister's daughter or female child is your niece. Now let's come to another category, what we call the in-laws. Your in-laws are the parents and the close relatives of your mother or father. The in-laws are the members of the family of your spouse or the person you are married to. In-laws means anyone of a relationship not natural or not by blood. That means the relationship is rather via marriage, a marriage in your family. Let's see some of the terms connected in this category. Father-in-law, the father of your spouse, that means husband or wife, is called father-in-law. Mother-in-law, mother of your spouse, that means husband or wife, is mother-in-law. Son-in-law, the husband of your daughter is called son-in-law. Daughter-in-law, the wife of your son is called daughter-in-law. Brother-in-law, the husband of your sister or the man married to your sister is called brother-in-law. Sister-in-law, the wife of your brother or the woman married to your brother is called sister-in-law. The next category we are going to see is the step family. You may also have a step family. Your step family includes people who become part of your family due to the changes in family life. These changes may happen due to death, divorce, or separation. Step means that you are related as a result of one parent marrying again. Therefore, step family means a family that is formed on the remarriage of a divorced or widowed person, and that includes a child or children. Stepfather, the husband of your mother but not your biological or real father is called stepfather. Stepmother, the wife of your father but not your biological or real mother is called stepmother. Stepson, the son of your husband or wife who is not your biological son is called stepson. Stepdaughter, the daughter of your husband or wife that she is not your biological daughter is referred as stepdaughter. Stepsister, the daughter of your stepmother or stepfather is called stepsister. Stepbrother, the son of your stepmother or stepfather is called stepbrother. The last category we are going to see here is the half. I hope that you have heard this word so many times, and the half refers to one of siblings. That means a brother or sister who have only one parent in common, or siblings related to through one parent only. Even if your parents get married again and they have more children, or your parent didn't get married and have the child outside of marriage, they are still your half-brother or half-sister. However, note that it's common to still call your half-brother or half-sister just your brother or sister without adding the half part. Half-sister, the sister you only have one parent in common with. Half-brother, the brother you have only one parent in common with. Okay, thank you very much for enjoying this video. If you have any question, you can write it down on my comment section. Until I see you next Friday, bye for now. But before I go on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos that I release every Friday. Bye for now, see ya.